Hello lovelies, it's your girl Jasmine Rio. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to convert straight hair extension into a coily wig that looks absolutely natural. So I'm going to be using Lush Braid Extension. You can use whichever hair extension you prefer. Firstly, I'm gonna cut my hair into 3 parts as I'm trying to make short coils that do not extend below my shoulders. Right now, I'm picking the strand so it won't look bulky at the tip, so that it can be easy to work with. Next, I'll be combing the hair, after which I'll apply hair cream. You can use whichever hair cream you prefer. After applying the hair cream, I will comb again to make sure it circulates and the hair is well stretched out. So right now, it's time to crochet. I'm using Usher's eyeliner to indicate the places I'll be crocheting. So it's time to crochet. As you can see, my net came with a lace for the closure. Right now, I'm going to ventilate the closure using my ventilation pin. This method requires patience. You have to be very patient to get to the bigger picture, the end result. If you're interested in seeing how the ventilating method is done, I'll be dropping a video on that soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel not to miss out. So this is how the whole thing turned out. Isn't this beautiful? Make sure you brush out some strands of hair to make it look neat before wrapping with your flexi rods. I'm using my flexi rods to roll the hair all over. This is how it turned out after I finished wrapping. I'm going to soak in hot water. Before soaking, I'll go ahead and add my conditioner. You can use any type of conditioner within your reach and then mix with hot water, stirring with my comb. Pour the hot water on it. Then bring out and wipe with your towel. Allow to cool down and not dry it completely and then start already. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.